Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're here at this Murfreesboro, Tennessee apartment complex, and this is ready for a owner or VIP visit. And we're actually here. We're here doing 3 buildings, Breezeways yesterday, 1 today, 4 Saturday, which I don't normally like to work apartment complexes on the weekend, but they have to have it done by Monday. We'll be doing a couple even on Sunday. We normally do not do that. And I'll explain why in another video. But we're here mostly because there's no mold, mildew, no green, no nothing. Mostly taking care of gum, spills, and a lot of just cobwebs. Cobwebs here. You see the one hanging right there to be sprayed right there. That's a cobweb. They kind of attach and stick to this hardy board wood. Even though it's painted, they want to stick. So you know, you're using a heavy soap, you're using medium pressure, we're even utilizing heat. The heat is less for the cobwebs and more for the gum and, you know, the oil and greases and trash spills. But anyway, that's what we're here doing. This was kind of an emergency. They called us on Tuesday. We had vendor information set up by Wednesday. Thursday, we're on the job getting started. We had to move some people around, but it was one of those things that with a VIP, they did not have the ability to do it on a normal timeline where you could set it up, give lots of notice. They did give notice to the buildings for each day we'll be here, which helped tremendously. And they did a very nice letter. But anyway, that's what we're here doing. That's the reason why we're here doing it. And we're just gonna keep on trucking until we get done. Another building down, 4 tomorrow, 2 on Sunday, and we're done. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure.